Well, hello there. This is Jaybird Drone. I'm out with the Zino 2 again today. We have a sunny day, so why not go out for a flight? I want to go ahead and show you guys because nobody is talking about this. But let me go ahead and fix this setting first because we're having a sunny day. I want to use the landing pad. Change this back to 60 frames. Alright, and white balance, you want to go ahead and change that to sunny. That looks good. Nobody's talking about this, but I'm going to talk about it. On the controller joystick settings, you want to go to and check it, because when you get this out of the box, it's going to be at the maximum 100% for the operation field, the maximum vertical speed, maximum horizontal speed, and the maximum heading speed. You want to go ahead and change those because your yaw is going to be too fast as far as I'm concerned. So I went ahead and put that on 30 to get a little bit better cinematic video. And then the horizontal speed I put at 50 and the vertical at 50. That should help a little bit. So let's go ahead and take off. We got 13 satellites, 98% on the battery. I'm going to start the SD card video. Let's check the map to make sure our home point is correct, and that looks good. And let's go ahead and start our recording. And we have it on the phone recorder also. And we're going to try this once more. Enjoy the flight, everybody. Oh yeah, that is a lot better. That's what you want, folks. You want something that's a little more steady. Actually, let me go ahead and see on this real quick. Let's see how that does. That looks pretty good. Heading speed. Area 3 should be good for your yaw. So let's go ahead and do an up and out. I did the compass calibration today and also a GPS accuracy test. Let's go ahead and go up and out. Alright, now we're just going to take her up to a safe height. Such a nice day out, so I figured, well, let's enjoy these days while we can. Get a nice flight in. I'm just going to take her up to close to 400, the regulation. Kind of foggy, but I'm okay with it. That's good. We're going to do full stick forward. Might be a little slow on that. Let's see if I can change that while we're up there. Let's put that on a 70. 71 should be good. I don't want it to be too slow. But the main thing is to have your yaw adjusted. And I bet you that will greatly improve your video footage. There's not too many people talking about that, but Jaybird Drone is. I think that's an important thing to know, because getting it out of the box, it might seem like, wow, this thing is moving all around on me. So I think that's good to know. We're just taking her out. We got the camera setting on sunny. And I also want to note, I moved the landing pad over to a more greener, grassy area, hoping that that helps the sensor detect the landing pad a lot better. So we'll go ahead and see if that does. So far we're doing good. I do like the yaw better with this setting. It's not as aggressive, it's just where I want it to be. I'm not going to do a distance test today. I'm just going to fly it out over this field here, the second one out there, and then bring it back. I want to try some of the orbit mode today. I was unsuccessful doing that yesterday because of the battery being low, but I want to go ahead and show something else today instead of just doing distance. Yeah, so far we're doing great. 81% battery, 15 satellites. I like this speed for normal mode. If you put it on sport mode, you'll get that 45, 48 miles per hour was the maximum I was able to get. But yeah, I like the control much better. This is a way better drone when you adjust those settings. You won't hear others talk about that, but here on Jaybird Drone channel you will. So stay tuned. Go ahead and hit subscribe, hit all notifications to be notified for all my new content. But yeah, no complaints here. In fact, I think it helps with the image FPV also, because when you have it maxed out, it kind of cuts up the video. But yeah, we're just gonna do a little bit out, not too far. I might try to hit that field there. To the left of us, but yeah. I'd say if you're in the market looking for a good beginner drone, the Zino 2 is the right fit. Even the Zino 1 wouldn't be bad because of the new updates, the firmware on that one, it's much improved. Can't go wrong for the price either. But I will say also the Mavic Mini is a good choice as well, so the choice is yours. I own both of them, along with the Fimi X8. My hope is the Fimi X8 has a new drone here soon. So we're about approaching 1 mile, and I'm just gonna circle around this little lake to the right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and bring her back over this way a little bit. That yaw is much better now. So we got our mile. Let's go ahead and fire this way. Okay, we still have full signal. Let's go ahead and hit the return to home, and then when it gets close I'm gonna cut the video off, because like I said, you can't have the recording on with it trying to detect the landing pad. So let's go ahead and try that out. And then the FM button, you just press and hold for a second, and then that will cut off the beeping. So let's try that.
Return to home.
So here we go. That cuts off the return to home. Beeping noise. So you don't hold it, you just press it for a second. It's a long press, and then that will stop the beeping on the return to home. The short press is for the camera to revert back, is the feature that I have it set on. You can also set it to where if you're in one of the options on here, like orbit mode or one of the modes, you can disable that with that button as well. So we're just flying her back now. I want to do some other things with it with the orbit mode. Try that out for you guys. She's coming back, and then when it gets close I'll cut the video off and hope that it's able to locate the landing pad. If not, not a big deal. I think that will also improve with a couple more updates from Hubsan. So we're just flying her back now. But it is such a nice day out. Can't beat it weather-wise. I will also note, a good advice is to have your phone fully charged. You will go ahead and get more than one flight out of the controller. You'll at least get 2 flights out of it, because this will act as a power bank. If your phone's low, it will try to recharge your phone, so that will cut down on the battery. So at least have your phone at around 90% or more when you're out flying. Just some good advice there. Okay, we're coming back. I'm going to go ahead and cut the video off. I'll keep the phone recorder on and see how she does. Okay. She's coming back to us. She's coming down. The camera will automatically revert downward to try to locate the apron. So here we go. Here's the moment of truth. Oops, I didn't have that off. Let's cancel that. Let's go ahead and fly her out a little bit. Alright, let's try it again. I thought the recording was off. My apologies.
Return to home.
So here we go. We're going to try this out one more time and see what we got. Sometimes you have to hit that button twice for it to end the recording. But it's just going back up to the return to home height, and then it's going to come back down. And it's coming down now. So we should be in pretty good shape, hopefully. It's able to detect this pad. Yeah, we're getting close. It should be reverting the camera downward to search the apron. Looks like it's trying to lock onto it now. Nope, it's not going to. Okay, so let's go ahead and fly her over this net here. I want to try out that orbit mode. Hopefully today it'll work out for us. Alright, let's see where we're at. Let's drop that camera down. I want to use this net here as the center point. I'll bring the camera all the way down. You can also use the controller as your point of interest. But I'm just using this soccer net. You can use anything, flag, water tower, whatever. Let's go ahead and move forward over that net. Alright, we're over the center of that. Let's bring her up just slightly. Alright, now we're going to try the orbit mode. Okay, now we need to move it out. I won't move it out too far. That should be good. Execute. Okay, now let's go ahead and hide this. Drop that camera back up. This is what they call orbit mode. And it will circle around that net or whatever you choose as your main focus point. Which is kind of cool. The DJI Mavic Mini doesn't even have this feature. So this is called orbit mode. You can actually go ahead and make that faster if you'd like. Orbit speed. Also, and it will do a better, faster orbit around. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Can do it higher, but for me this is good because there's a lot of trees around me, so just wanted to show that off, that feature, which is kind of cool. Alright, let's go ahead and stop that. Let's bring that camera up. Back on hover mode. Let's try the follow me mode. I will say this drone is actually not very bad when it comes to the new adjustment on that setting. So we're going to drop the camera down, and then I'm going to put it on follow me while I still have a little bit of battery. Yeah, bring her down just a little. Bring her closer too. Alright folks, let's see if that works. Let's try it again. That should follow me. Yeah, it lost me. Let's go ahead and cancel. Try it again. Alright, I think we got her now. She's cutting out on us. Let's try this again. Alright. Might be too high. Let's string her down for a second so she can lock into us. Alright. Let's try it again. Go ahead and raise her up just a little bit. Yep, shit's not doing it. I think I need to be closer. Drop the camera down. Drop the drone down too. See if that helps. Alright, I think we're good now, folks. It's doing a good job following me. Yep, she's definitely following me now. Well, I want to thank you all for watching Jaybird drone. And we hit it for a second. So let's go ahead and cancel that. Just take a quick yaw around here. I want to get that battery drained down a bit. Let's go ahead and try the sport mode if it'll engage. Let's see what she's got.
Low battery warning. The drone is under return to home soon.
I'm gonna cancel that. That thing is fast, folks. Use at your own discretion. Well, I want to thank you for watching Jaybird Drone. I'm going to go ahead and sign off, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good day, everybody.